Hello and welcome back to this quick guide on registering an account and creating a browser's profile. First, go to the download page and install DICloak on your computer. It's available for both Windows and Mac. Once installed, enter your email and password to create an account. If you already have an account, you can log in immediately using the default setting. Now, you will find yourself in the browser's profile setting. Hit on the button to create a new profile environment. Start by filling up your name. If you're the first-time user, you may not have created a group ahead, so choose Ungroup. Choose the operating system and user agent based on your need. You can click New UA for auto-generate. We support several proxies options. You can either choose no proxies, which will connect the local network, or custom your own proxies. If you already created a proxy, go to Save Proxies and choose from the existing proxies you set up. We don't offer proxies purchasing service right now. If you need one, you will have to buy it from another provider. And last, use the Check Proxies button to confirm the connection status. Additional information: if you want to log into a relevant platform, you can either enter a custom platform URL or choose from the options we provided. In the advanced setting, you can customize options such as language, intersurface language, time zone, and geolocation, as well as randomize or manually input the front list, WebGL provider, and renderer setting. Adjust the device memory and hardware concurrencies. Once everything looks good, click Confirm to create your profile. On the profile page, you can check your IP connections and country. Thank you for following along with this quick guide. If you have any questions, please contact us. Goodbye and see you in the next video.